Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I have gone Gorjuss girl crazy. I have been into Gorjuss girls for a couple of years now at least, oh my goodness me. But you know, I had gone to Stampin' Up and been quite obsessed with Stampin' Up for a while. Now I'm not with Stampin' Up. It gives me more time to pull out all of my other hobbies and obsessions that I have. Hobbies, I should say. Crafting is my hobby, but you know what I mean, my obsessions. Now I already had a great collection of Gorjuss girls, but I've kind of been inspired recently to go back to my Gorjuss girls for a bit. And you know, not that I won't be doing other things, I'll be doing lots of other things, but today is about the Gorjuss girls. And look at this Gorjuss girl haul that I have in front of me. Now I'm going to show you all of these goodies, and then in the next sort of few videos I will be doing some projects with them. So I had done a project the other day on the little my little gift tags. I don't have one handy to show you. I've actually put them away somewhere, but they were using these little Gorjuss girl stamps, and these are about I suppose 3.5 inches tall, so they're perfect for the tag topper punch, the Stampin' Up one, which is 2 inches wide. So these are less than 2 inches wide, but about 3.5 inches taller. Some are a bit bigger, but I have a huge collection, and these are all numbered and have little names and that, and I think there's about 60 in total. I don't have all 60, but I have about 25, I would say. So let me show you these. Now this is Fly Away With Me. This is number 45. They're not in order, I'm afraid. And this is such a cute one with a balloon, and these were so cheap. I bought these ones off of eBay for £1.49 each. OMG. So of course I had to have quite a few. So this is Fly Away With Me, number 45. So cute. This one here is Sweetheart, number 54. Then we have Little Love. Oh gosh, I can't wait to make more tags with these. This one is Waiting, number 52. And then we have Jar of Hearts, number 50. And I think she's got like a feather in her hair. Excuse me. Adorable. This one is I Stole Your Heart, love green. Green being one of my favourite colours, but of course when we stamp these we can colour them in any colour we choose. And then we have Little Heart, which she's so cute. Got a little bobbed haircut there, which is so cute because my youngest granddaughter has just had her hair bobbed. So this is more like my oldest granddaughter Jessica and my daughter when she was little, and this is more like Francesca, who has her little short bob now. So cute. And then this one is Free as a Bird. So this is just some of the new stamps that I have. I do have others which we've used on previous videos. So those are the stamps that I will be using. But looky here what I have now. I've been trying to get my hands on these for a while. These are the Santora Gorjuss dies. There isn't a stamp in here, but these are dies, and they make these gorgeous girls. And in these packs you get all of these dies, and you get some paper, but of course you can, you know, do your own colours and designs. So I have 2 of these. We have this one here, and I cannot remember, this is the scarf, I think. Can't remember what this one's called, but look. So I will be doing some videos on making these Gorjuss girl cutouts. Just so gorgeous. Cannot wait. Oh, we found a couple more stamps here. Thought I had a few more. This one is Spring at Last. And she's got a little handbag. And I'm sorry, but my cat is in the cat tray. Charles, Oh, he has to make some kind of appearance somehow. And this one is sugar and spice. So those are my stamps. I did think I had a few more. Now, I also have these, which they're quite large actually. They're cut... Charlie, will you behave? These are cut and embossed folders, and these are great for shaker cards, but they are very big, as you can see. So these are embossing folders, but they have a cutout in them. So I'm not going to open them now. We'll do another video on these, and I have 2 of these. So these are quite exciting to make these gorgeous cards. Cannot wait. And then I have this postcard one, and this is a die and stamp set. So intrigued to have a go at that one. Now, this is not just all gorgeous, but in here, now this is what we call one of our Doughcrafts goodie bags, and these are sold in our shop called The Range for £15. Sometimes you can even get them on offer. But let me just put this aside for 1 minute and show you what you get in here. And I was so super excited when I saw what was in here. So this is what you get in your goodie bag. Oh, let's get in there. So let's put that to one side. And in here we have this awesome capsule elements. It's Doughcrafts glitter. It's not glitter, it's a foil pack of 6x6, 36 sheets of 6x6 foiled silver and gold papers. So gorgeous. So that is gorgeous in itself. And then in here we also have, let me just pop them in there because they are loose sheets, so I don't want to lose them. You also get these tiles, letter tiles, which I do have some in the just normal Scrabble sort of ones, but I haven't used them yet, so we get those in there. And then we have these like jeweled gem alphabet stickers. So these are quite cool to use. And these card, there's 2 sheets, I believe, of these in here. I know they aren't, they're just the whole alphabet. So they're 2 sheets, but they're like chipboard sort of alphabet there, which that would be great for another project. This awesome die, and I don't know what this says. It says, oh, with love, sorry. With love little die. Great to put on gifts and things. There are 2 of these decoupage card sheets. So we have one which is a dog, and then one which are these flowers. So the kids love doing these. They love doing decoupage. So I think I'll keep those for those. But look what I found in here. Now these are Colour Me stickers, gorgeous Colour Me stickers, which I'm sure I'll have a lot of fun with. But look at this, a 12 by 12 gorgeous paper pack. Now that in itself is worth the £15 that I paid, but you get all of these other things extra. So let me show you. Now I love the gorgeous paper packs. Now these are very sort of watercolory sheets. So we've got a few of these in different colours. Let's have a look here. A few more there. So these are all kind of like watercolour. We have a sort of nighttime sort of stars. Another nighttime one. And a more sort of spacey. And look at these. Oh my goodness me. Don't we just love gorgeous? Now look, you could cut these out and have them just by themselves on a card. Obviously use them as backing papers, or cut out an actual image. Oh, look at these, like stamps. Oh, just too cute. Just too cute. Love them. Oh, look at the little mermaid one. I think that's called Washed Away or Washed Up or something. Or Washed Out, I don't know, I'm not quite sure. But look at these. You could just cut these out just by themselves, really. And then we have the Runaway. Love this one here. Oh, these are just, I don't know if you can see them all because I can't get them all in the camera shot. I love the stars one. And this actually says little heart all over it. Oh, look at this. You could just frame that. That is just beautiful by itself for a little girl's room. All of them actually. You could, if you wanted, these big ones, if you could get frames for these, have these just on the wall as pictures. I mean, look, you've got quite a few of those. And then we have, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So that is the paper pack. Now, for those of you who haven't bought any of the Gorjuss products before, there's something very special about the packaging. Now, let me just put these to one side a minute. It's over there. Now, for those of you who are not aware of Santora packaging, they always, now if I can open this without, no, I can't do it, but if you have a peek in here, look in there, in every packaging of a Santora product, there are, you don't waste the packaging. Inside there, I don't know if you can quite see, look at all of those tags that you can cut out and pictures and images. Look at all those. Now, I do have another box somewhere of other packaging that I have cut up. I will not waste that packaging. There are so many images inside of there. Now, that was that. We do have one more last paper pack, and this is a 6x6, and basically it is the same but on a smaller scale as this one here. So I did get this as well, and as you can see, it's just a smaller version. So all of those that you would have had as picture framed as the 12x12, you could frame these as well, or you could just do a lovely big 6x6 card. Just gorgeous. Look at these. Loving them. So this is my Gorjuss haul and my trip to the range. So I will be very busy doing some Gorjuss projects, I should say, not products, projects, in the next couple of videos. I will be showing how I use all of these Gorjuss products and other projects as well. So I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I cannot wait to go away and start having a go with some of these. So I'm going to be doing one of the Gorjuss Girl dies later on today. So watch this. Please keep watching. Thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you very soon. Hope you're all very well. Take care for now. Bye bye.